Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something incredible to share with you. Straight from one of Japan's top luxury resellers from eBay is a designer handbag that I just purchased. And I'm very excited to share with you and unravel this thing. You know how Japanese resellers are very meticulous when it comes to the authenticity and condition of their bags. So let's see if this is a hidden gem, what I paid for it, what it's worth in today's market, and what I'll possibly be selling it for. So let's unbox this thing right now. Okay, so here we go. I have bought one of these before, and I actually did sell it to one of my subscribers over a year ago. And I told myself I wish I would have kept it because I love the bag so much. So I'm glad I got another one, but I don't know based upon pictures like how well the condition is. But we will see. The person that I did buy from, the reseller, I actually do like him. Brand JFA. And you can find them on eBay. Okay. You obviously know I got a Louis Vuitton bag. I am a sucker for Louis Vuitton. And this is there again, brand JFA. That's the Japanese reseller. So this is supposed to be the Louis Vuitton sack shopping bag. So actually it's in really good shape, as you can see. I'm going to stand up and show you. Okay. It's a pretty good shape. The handbag itself, everything looks nice. These are pretty sturdy. The handles, as you can see here, good shape. Good shape. The inside is very clean and nice. Wow, nice. So the dimensions of this, I love this. I love this. I love bigger bags. I love big totes, especially right now during the holidays. This is great to go shopping, throw everything in. I love it. Here's I think it's in great, I mean, it's really good condition. I'm very, very pleased with it. So I bought this for $217, okay? $217 for it. It came within days. I did not have to pay an import duty tax. People have asked me that. They do comment and ask me that. So no, I didn't, because I think it's more the price. I noticed that one time I got charged a duty tax, and it was because it was over $700. So this was $217. I love it, love it, love it. I'll show you again. Here we go. Look at this. Isn't this just wonderful? Open it up. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I was thinking of reselling it, but I think I'm probably not. I think I'm going to keep it. I'm just a sucker, like I said, for Louis Vuitton. I love Louis Vuitton, and I think I'm just going to start getting more Louis Vuitton bags of all the vintage ones. This one happens to be discontinued, just a little bit of history of it. What came out in the late 70s, somewhere around 1978. It was discontinued in 2007, and that's when the Never Full kind of took over for the sack shopping bag. The dimensions here is 15 by 13, and the width is 5.5. 5.5. So 15 by 13 by 5.5, that's a great tote bag. I actually prefer this bag over the Never Full. I had a Never Full. I actually did not like it. I did not like my Neverfull. I ended up selling it. I love this bag. It's bigger, better. I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you like? Do you like the Neverfull better, or do you like the sack shopping tote better? This is mine. This is my favorite. Okay, so I bought this for $217. This roughly right now on the resale market goes between like $600 and $900, over $1,000 if it's in excellent condition. You can pick them up for a little bit less than the $600 to $900, but you got to keep looking, and you know, because the ones that are probably in the $200-300 range, their handles are giving out. So you got to be very careful when you are looking at these handbags, okay? Because the handles sometimes are not as good, and so that's why I'm saying anything over $1,000 to these sell for is because they're in excellent condition. Their handles are superbly in great condition. You're going to need that when you're going to put all the stuff in here to hold it up. So I'm very pleased with this. I was thinking of selling it. I'm not sure at this point. I think I'm going to keep it, but if I was to sell it, I think I would put it probably for about $500. I would try to sell this for about $500. I bought it for $217. It's not that much more of a markup. I mean, it's a couple $100 profit, but I think I prefer to keep it. So I just bought a bunch of handbags through different Japanese resellers this past week. I was shopping online for people for Christmas, but then I ended up going to eBay and thought, let me just see what there is. I buy myself something. So I bought I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 handbags, and I was looking at Chanel, Dior, Louis, even Prada. So I did buy a couple, I think Gucci. I did buy a couple handbags, and they're going to be coming in from different resellers the next couple days, and I will show you and do reveals the next couple days of everything that I got, and then let you know which ones I am selling if anybody is interested, because I do resell on here on YouTube. So if anybody's interested, let me know, comment below, and then let me know what you guys think of this. You think $217 was a great deal for my Louis Vuitton sack shopping tote? Let me know, comment below. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, share button. I appreciate you guys. And until next time, I will see you guys later.